people, how you doing? So when it comes to making money, earning money, you want to make sure you get yourself out there. Don't be scared to show off your skills. The amount of skills you have, you need to put it on the front board, on the front line, and show everybody your skills and talent, because you'll never know who will gravitate towards you. So if you have a business or you have some kind of skill, you might want to place an ad or put it on Facebook or make a YouTube video and do something, just market yourself. Like when I'm going out in the daytime, no matter what I'm doing, I have to have on a shirt that's, showing everything that I do, market myself while I'm out there, and make sure I have my business cards with me. I'll be walking and people be calling, just sending me message. I just saw your shirt. What do you sell? What do you do? And it just goes from right there. Like I walk in the store and it just happens. But it's not about me. This is about you. So put yourself out there. Don't be scared. Whatever you're doing, if you're a female that does hair, does nails, start creating content, start making videos, start doing demos. If you have to do a few hairs for free, do it. If you're a guy, you're interested in, I see these kids, they doing patterns on sneakers and they doing that. A gamer, a lot of guys are gamers and females are getting into the gaming world right now, and that's a big market. It's blowing out football, basketball, all those sports. Gaming is beating their asses to the ground. Right now gaming is I could say it is the number one out there that is making so much money, okay, for young people that older folks are not even able to compete. Older, like athletes and actors and stuff, are not even able to compete with them because of how vast the world and community is of gaming. And because these people are not scared to put themselves out there because of what they like. They like games and they into it 8 hours a day, 12 hours a day. And companies and corporations pay them for that, just to play the fucking game. So don't be scared, man. If you ever thought about singing or making a song, it doesn't matter your age. You could be freaking 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, 60. Shit, I see grandmas making rap songs. I see that shit. I was like, what, grandma? I've seen that shit. So it doesn't matter your age, man. You could be an inspiration for someone. You're 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Drop that one album, and as a way to start that, whatever it is, an album, a book, whatever, write it. Write the book, write the song, make a recording, sing it, and pocket it. Put it down for a while, okay? And when you get comfortable, you send it out to the world, whether it be on a YouTube channel, over the air, whatever it takes. Write the book. When you're comfortable, you find a publisher that could publish it for you. Just make sure you write it. Write that freaking book, write the song, record it, and then when you're comfortable enough, you say, you know what? I think it'd be a good time writing. But don't wait too long. Take about a week or 2 weeks. Okay? Take about a week or 2 weeks. And then you say, you know what? I feel good right now. If you got to make any adjustments within those 1 or 2 weeks, make the adjustment and send it in. But you have to get yourself out there. Don't be scared like these people that sit down on their ass and don't take chances. You have to take chances to grow, to evolve, because you're going to be stuck the same place you've been for a long time. If you don't do something new, you're going to keep getting what you've been getting. Simple as that. And what you've been getting probably has been making you miserable as fuck. So go ahead and change your life by making a big move. Okay? Get yourself out there. Get your brand out there. Whatever it has to say. Don't worry about what your mom think about you, your sister, your granddad. You're a grown-ass adult, especially if you're 30, 40, even 50. Don't worry about your grandma. If your grandma was a Christian lady, it doesn't matter about that. Say what you have to say, because for some reason, whatever you say is going to create a shift in somebody's mind, and it might change their life. Go ahead. Get yourself out there. Cno out.